I'm Ray Nelson. This is CSI Ohio. Come on, let's go. Stand back, everybody. Stand back. Stand back. Okay, okay. Blood.
$6.99. Who would sell this blood, saying that it's fake?
Okay, so
Sorry, my finger.
make sure blood gets on the right way, and we gotta find out who did this and why.
See.
Okay, I'm gonna take this back. Come on, let's go take this backstage to the room. Okay, and we're back to. Okay, we got a little bit of blood. We're gonna have to take this in. Yeah. Okay, and now let's take some samples. We're gonna have to check it out. Have to go to the lab set. Blackie! Blackie! There's the security dog. Okay, this is our room. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'll be back in a sec. Blackie, go. Okay. Can of blood. Okay, there's a can of blood. So, yeah.